Hey everybody! Alright, today is our last video learning for math, our Unit 8 math. Today we are on 8-3. You should have a blank sheet in your Seesaw as well as the video. So just do what you've been doing, and then like I've said before, we will have time to practice and go over these learnings in class so you get more practice. Alright, so today it's just a combination of what we did with 8-1 when we found the diagonals. We put little dots at the corners, the opposite corners, and then drew a straight line to make a diagonal, and then that would make new shapes. And then the next day, 8-2, we found the midpoint, so the middle of each line, and we connected those midpoints and then found new shapes. And then today we're going to do a combination of both. So in number 1, it says to draw one diagonal. So you can pick any corner. We can look at our sample here. We go to the upper right corner, maybe make a little dot. The lower left corner, make a little dot. Take your ruler or your straight edge, or if you are doing this online, then you can just make the best straight line you can with your drawing tool. So you're going to connect those 2 points. We're going to make that diagonal, and we turned a square into 2 triangles. We're going to do the same thing here, just the opposite side, and then we'll do the combination of both. And again, in this sample, we get 4 triangles. They're just different shaped triangles. They're smaller, and they're different shapes than these triangles here. We're going to come down to this quadrilateral. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to connect the 2 opposite corners here, the 2 opposite corners here, and then the combination of the 2, and you can see you've created 4 very different looking triangles in this example and 2 very different triangles in this example. Okay, now number 3, we're going to find the midpoint. Here it says to use estimation. So you can just kind of use your eyeballs to find the middle. Here they're going to start on the left and the right line, or the sides. You can use your eyeballs to try to find the middle. You can use your fingers to try to figure out where the middle is, or you can use a tool, maybe a little piece of paper or something, or if you have a ruler, you can try to use a ruler and figure out where the middle is the best you can. Make a dot. The opposite side, do the same thing, make a dot, and then combine those. Opposite sides here, we'll do the top and the bottom, and then we're going to connect those. So here we have a square made into 2 rectangles. Same here, just they're in different positions. And then on this example here, we're going to do both midpoint options to create 4 squares. So here we have 2 rectangles, and here we have 4 squares. Here's a quadrilateral. We're going to find the midpoint of this side, the midpoint of this side, connect it. Now you have 2 new quadrilaterals. Same thing here, only we're going to do the top and the bottom. And here we'll do a combination of the 2. And then number 5, on the back, for each shape above, tell about the new shapes you made. Okay? So these will vary, your answers will vary. Try and tell the best you know about shapes on the back. Okay, have a great rest of your day, and I'm so excited to see you tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.